Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Adam Kostyál, Head of European Listings at Nasdaq, to discuss the launch of Nasdaq Green Designations. Adam, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you very much. Pleasure to be here.
Nasdaq is launching on its Nordic market something called Nasdaq Green Designations. What are the driving forces behind the launch?
Well, I think the driving forces behind the launch is the overall ESG trend that we're seeing globally. I think companies want to be in a better position to communicate how they are adapting to the requirements that are coming from the market in terms of positioning them as a green company. So there has been a trend now to develop an offering in the market called a green share. So we've adapted to that and worked with the market to develop something we call Nasdaq Green Equity Designation, where we will help companies not only verify that they meet these standards, but also amplify their message to investors.
Could you tell us more about the two designations, the Nasdaq Green Designations?
Well, exactly. So we have two categories. One is that they are actually a green company from day one. And then the second one is that they're transforming in the sense that they are investing and developing, even strengthening their offering in that space. So they are not only green from day one, but they are becoming a stronger and stronger. They're really committing themselves to that development over time. So we will be able to capture not only companies that are green from day one, but also companies that are in transformation mode.
And who is eligible?
So all our listed companies are eligible. So we will work with certified verifiers with regulated standards. So it'll be very transparent to the companies how they can apply. And so we will reach out to all the listed companies in the Nordics. And then we will also talk to the companies that are on their way to our markets. We see a lot of companies in the clean tech space. This is a captive audience or a captive offering for that particular sector. But we also see real estate. We see a lot of other companies in different sectors where this could be applicable. So we look forward to working with our listed companies, but also companies that are planning to list with us.
So Adam, what are the benefits for the issuers?
Well, the benefits is that we give them a homogeneous standard that they can work with. It's a benefit not only for the companies, but also the advisors working with these companies. And then, of course, also to the investors, that they feel comfortable that we are helping verifying the standards that these companies are living up to in the context of being green equity. But at the end of the day, we want to make sure that we are helping the companies amplify their story to investors and to the market. And that's really what we're aiming to do.
And how long is this designation valid?
Well, we're going to check this on an annual basis. So we will re-verify them on an annual basis. And as long as they stay green, they will be able to stay within our Nasdaq Green Equity Designation. If they don't, then they will not qualify and then we will move them out. But hopefully these companies will not only stay green, but become greener. And therefore, we will see more and more companies looking to take part of this offering over time.
And finally, Adam, if there is an issuer interested in green equity designations, what should they do?
Well, they should contact us, but they should also contact their financial advisors and legal advisors. We will make sure that they are up to speed with regards to our requirements, the process required to apply. And therefore, we will work with the ecosystem around our exchange to make sure that issuers understand this in a very transparent way and that this is made accessible to them. Not all companies will qualify, but over time, if they meet our requirements, this is definitely a platform that they should consider.
All right, Adam, congratulations on the launch. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.